France, home of fine wine, great cheese, and deeply entertaining useless facts. Fact 1. Back in 1748, French authorities banned potatoes. People thought they caused leprosy. Thankfully, that myth got fried, along with some really good pommes frites. Fact 2. Montargis, a real town in France, has 0 traffic lights and no stop signs. Drivers just politely yield. Trust issues? Not here. Fact 3. It's true. In France, naming your pig Napoleon is illegal, respecting history, even in the barn. Fact 4. The famous breakfast dish? Yeah, French toast. That came from ancient Rome, then medieval England. The French call it pain perdu, or lost bread. Rebrand? Nailed it. Fact 5. Louis XIV King was king for 20 minutes, just long enough to say vive la. Never mind. Fact 6. French schools banned ketchup unless it's on fries. Gastronomy has boundaries. Fact 7. In Châteauneuf-du-Pape, it's illegal for UFOs to land. Yup, the aliens will have to skip the wine tour. Fact 8. There's a French village called Why. That's it. One letter, one eternal question. Why not? Fact 9. The French army keeps carrier pigeons on standby because when Wi-Fi fails, wings prevail. Fact 10. Heat makes the Eiffel Tower expand by about 6 inches. Yes, even iconic landmarks have a glow-up season. There you have it. 10 utterly useless, completely fascinating facts about France. Which one blew your mind? Drop a comment and hit subscribe for more weird wonders. Au revoir.